Want to unlock advanced features on your Android phone? In this guide, I'll show you how to enable developer options quickly and safely using the latest method for Android devices in 2026. Unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find it by swiping up to open the app drawer and tapping the gear-shaped settings icon. Next, scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. On some Android devices, this option may be called About Device, depending on the manufacturer and Android version. Inside the About Phone section, look for software information and tap on it. This page displays important details about your device, including the Android version, One UI or system version, security patch level, and build number. Now find build number and tap it 7 times in quick succession. As you continue tapping, you'll see a countdown message such as, "You are 4 steps away from being a developer." If your phone has screen security enabled, you'll be asked to enter your PIN, password, or pattern to confirm your identity. After verification, a message will appear saying, "Developer mode has been turned on," or "You are now a developer." To access these new settings, go back to the main settings page. Scroll to the bottom and you'll now see developer options listed, usually just below About Phone or Inside System depending on your device. Developer options includes advanced tools such as USB debugging, wireless debugging, animation speed controls, OEM unlocking on supported devices, show refresh rate, running services, and many other settings intended for developers and advanced users. If you are unsure about a particular option, it's best to leave it unchanged, as some settings can affect your phone's performance or behavior. And that's all. You've successfully enabled developer options on your Android phone.